Permit me to introduce to us the Honorable Commissioner for Finance and Chairman Interministerial, here represented by the Secretary. I am talking about the very Reverend Dr. Otuoka Okut. Permit me to introduce to us an illustrious daughter of the local government area, by the grace of God, a member of Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly, Dr. Mrs. Ekaite Ebomotu. Permit me to introduce to us the distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the coordinator, Mr. Friday. A round of applause for him. We have the General Manager, A.K. Watson, Elder Epion Essien, and of course, Dr. Emmanuel Ekong. A round of applause for all of them. These dignitaries were laid here by the Executive Chairman into local government area, Honorable Michael James Etem Major. Your Excellency, you love your people and you give them a sense of belonging. Your Excellency, you are not tired in doing that. And for the people of MITAM, you told them that you give them a civic center. Your Excellency, you are here to keep your promise and to give them a sense of belonging. Your Excellency, we seek your permission that you inaugurate this newly constructed, brand new Tierra Civic Center project here in MITAM into local government area. Can we put our hands together and welcome the Excellency? MITAM is so! It's so! MITAM is so! The member of the State House of Assembly representing the Edo State Constituency, Dr. Mrs. Ebomotu. Ebomotu is a moderator. Because in my in-law, I cannot be that. Ebomotu, the chairman of the two local government, my own brother, the Macjo. Members of the State Executive Council, particularly the Commissioner for Finance, who is represented by the Secretary of the State Interministerial Direct Level Committee, and my own friend, the Commissioner for Science and Tech, elders and chiefs and youth of MITAM. It is my pleasure this afternoon to represent my governor and my boss, His Excellency Chief Godswill Obota Fabio, who graciously have given you this civic center today. I am amazed to come to MITAM to see this magnificent structure in a civic center for you, so that you no longer have your meetings outside. You have a befitting civic center to hold your meeting. Because this note, ladies and gentlemen, that I, on behalf of the governor, inaugurate this project in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Main consensus project, the Civic Center, recommended by Right Honorable Dr. Ekaite Ebomotu, my in-law, executed by the Akwa Ibom State Government, was inaugurated by His Excellency Chief Dr. Godswill Obota Fabio, CON, the Executive Governor of Akwa Ibom State, on the 31st of July 2030. To God be the glory. Please, can we put our hands together and appreciate His Excellency?